In this video, we will continue to focus on the collaboration aspect, but highlight the commenting feature. While collaborating with others, it is possible to leave comments off to the side for discussion. This comes in very handy when you have a question about a specific line or section. As teachers, it allows the teacher to leave comments and post questions to students to spark thinking on how to improve their work. To comment on a document, click and drag to highlight a selection of text on the document that you have a question about. To the right, you click on the dialog box with a plus sign inside. When you click on this, a dialog box appears that allows the user to type text. The user's name will appear at the top to indicate who is leaving the comment. In this example, I will write a comment regarding what my brother has written in our document. To notify a specific person on the comment, type the plus symbol and then the user's name. The person will get a notification that a comment was made to them. That user can then reply to start a conversation.